Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, the Digital Institute of Computing Technology. In this presentation, we will have discussion on the topic declaring variables in C programming language. We can achieve declaration using a declaration statement. Declaration statement declares variables and specifies their data types. The syntax is storage class followed by qualifier followed by type modifier followed by data type followed by the name of the variable name. Storage class, qualifier, and type modifier are optional. Storage class can be static, exter, or register. Qualifier can be const, volatile. And one more has been added in C18 standard called restrict. Type modifier can be signed, unsigned, short, or long. Type can be char, int, float, or double. Variable name is the name given to the variable. It must be a valid identifier. Example, count, total, etc. We will discuss storage class and qualifiers in a separate presentation. Now let's focus on type modifiers and data type. Let's consider some simple declaration example. Unsigned int max count declares a max count variable as an unsigned integer. Examples. Int sensor value declares a sensor value variable as an integer. Signed char flag declares a flag variable as a signed character. Unsigned long timeout declares a timeout variable as an unsigned long integer. Signed long total declares a total variable as an signed long integer. Unsigned char counter declares a counter variable as an unsigned character. Float gravity declares a gravity variable as a float. Double temperature declares a temperature variable as a double. Long int distance declares a distance variable as a long integer. Signed short error code declares an error code variable as a signed short integer. Unsigned char priority declares a priority variable as an unsigned character. When a C compiler encounters a declaration, it records the type of the variable, the function or the object being declared, and allocates memory to the variable. The table to the left shows the memory bytes allocated based on type. The size is specified in bytes. Char is 1 byte, short 2 bytes, int 4 bytes, long 4 or 8, long 8, float 4, double 8, long double 8, 10, 12 or 16 depending on the platform. We can know the size of a particular type using size of operator. The syntax is size of followed by type or variable name in parentheses. Example, size of char will return 1, implying the memory allocated to a char is 1 byte. Let's write one simple program to know the size of a declared variable. So this is the program. In this program, a is declared as an integer, b is declared as a double. We can pass these variable names as argument to size of operator to get their size in bytes. As you can see, the output in this case is size of a is equal to 4, whereas size of d is equal to 8. Since a is an integer, it is 4 bytes, and d is double, it is 8 bytes. Now, we can convert variables from one data type to another with typecasting feature in the C programming language. Let's write one simple program to apply typecasting. In this program, I is declared as an integer and Rn is declared as a double. In the first case, we are trying to typecast I to double, and in the second operation, variable Rn is typecasted to an integer. So we have two output variables res and trn. The output in this case is res equal to 13.14 and trn is equal to 13. Hope you liked and enjoyed the presentation. Remain connected with us by subscribing to this channel for latest updates on this channel. Thank you.